So this is one of the beaches here in Haikou. And there's more people down that way. They're flying a kite down that way. There's also a little place to get some food. And then there's a giant park over in that area as well, which I walked through and I didn't film, but it's there. Okay, let's go down and we're gonna walk through that crowd a little bit and then go down into the water.
Okay, Haikou up on the map on the ocean. Oh yeah, and we're at a beach. This is just gonna be a tiny little one. I'm not even gonna put it to music. Just gives you a little sample of it, and then up on the map you can see exactly where we are too. There's better beaches more popular beaches for tourists, but this is just kind of a local one near the university. Maybe you can see that as well on the map that it's But anyways, let's just get into the walk and talk, and I'm gonna show you the beach in Haikou. And I got a lot more. I got at least another 15 Haikou videos. So anyways, stay tuned for those. And the next Haikou one's gonna be of a much bigger beach, and I'm gonna be filming a lot longer than this tiny little short one. This is just to give you a little idea of what this beach looks like. Okay, no further ado, walk and talk time.
Okay, got the kite flying. Let me give you some background. So it's right now it's December, I believe it's December 8th. So in here you can actually sit and get some food. And there's some food stands right here too. So that's the entrance. There's a park right on the other side of it. But yeah, you can actually sit, grab some food, cheese, hot dogs, stuff like that. And we're gonna walk down this way, beach stuff. It looks like the sand is a little bit thick. So let's just walk down to the beach. See what you can see. Yeah, that sand is kind of thick. Like you're gonna get sand in your shoes, thick. So let's go right in here. This looks kind of volcanic rock. But yeah, it looks kind of cool. So a little bit of a taste of the beach. Okay.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.